So this is just kind of a review of end behavior and turning points. So remember, if you have an even polynomial function and the leading coefficient is positive, then it's going to go up to the left and up to the right. If the leading coefficient is if it's negative, then you're going to go down to the left and down to the right. Now, we've been kind of working in these videos in this section about the local behavior, the stuff in between, but we don't want to forget the end behavior stuff. If the degree is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, then it's going to be down to the left and up to the right. If the leading coefficient is negative, then it's up to the left and down to the right, okay? And they give you in the book, they go over the notation as x is approaching negative infinity, f of x is approaching infinity. You can look all at that. I just want to go over the concepts though. Turning points. You can't have more turning points than one less than your degree. So turning points, if the degree is n, then the turning points are n at most, I should put at most, n minus 1. You're not guaranteed to have that many turning points, but sometimes students go to graph and they're like, well, we don't know what it's really doing, so they just throw in a bunch of turning points. Well, there's a limit to how many turning points you can have. So if you have like a 5th degree polynomial, so maybe it's something like f of x equals 6x to the 5th plus, and then there's a bunch of stuff, then the turning points, the number of turning points you can have most number of turning points, that says most number of turning points. Okay, not written very well. That's why I'm saying it. Most number of turning points would be 4, okay? So if your degree is 5, the most number of turning points you could have would be 4.